everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying the cheapest item across 3 categories on Zepto. The first category that I'll be trying out is of the cheapest carbonated beverage. This is Campa's orange flavored soda and I got this for 19 rupees and there is 500 ml quantity in this particular bottle. So I'll just go ahead and try it out once. The first thought when I drank this is it's fizzy yet not excessively sugary, which is like a common thing across carbonated beverages right now in the market. So I will go ahead and confirm to you that on a hot summer day, this is something that you can go ahead and buy. So yeah, from my side, it's recommended. Moving on to the second category, it is of the cheapest ramen that's available on Zepto. So the option that I got was for 41 rupees. This is the Nissin Geki's carbonara flavored ramen. Let's try it out. It's hot. So the noodles are flat and it's quite long. That's nice. It's not overly spicy. There's a texture of a lot of creaminess which is normal in carbonara flavor. It's especially good for people who like something that's mildly spicy. And for spice lovers, I would want to go ahead and recommend this. I think carbonara flavor can be for people who are a bit less tolerant of spice. This is a very good option. And yeah, it's something that I would recommend, but it depends on your taste. But yeah, this is something that's, I would say, good enough quantity. So yeah, this is recommended as well from my side. Now let's move on to our third category. It is of the cheapest ice cream available on Zepto. So funnily enough, I tried ordering a 17 rupees coffee stick ice cream of Amul, but that became out of stock. So the second option that I went ahead and got is this Mimo ice cream in Alfonso mango flavor. This is their Crave variant made with milk. I have never heard about this brand. This is the first time I'm going to try this out. So I got this particular cone ice cream for 28 rupees. And this is how it looks like. So I would go ahead and recommend the Mimo ice creams Alfonso mango flavor, which is available in their cones, because it is a refreshing flavor which has a lot of dry fruits also with it. So people who enjoy that sort of a combination, I think this is for you. This is a very summery flavor and I just enjoyed it. With that, we have come to an end of this particular video. Please stay hydrated during these summer months. It's extremely crucial for you and your family. And thanks for watching so far. See you very, very soon.